In this video, I'll show you how to close your Payoneer account permanently. Before closing your account, make sure this is really what you want to do. Once your Payoneer account is closed, you may lose access to your balances, receiving accounts, transaction history, payment requests, cards, and connected payout services, so it's important to prepare everything first. First, log into your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. Check your available balances in every currency, such as US dollars, euros, pounds, or any other balance you may have. If there is money in your account, withdraw it to your linked bank account before requesting closure. Next, review any pending transactions. Make sure all incoming payments, withdrawals, refunds, disputes, or card transactions are fully completed. If a transaction is still pending, wait until it is finished before closing the account. After that, download or save any important account records. You may want to keep copies of transaction history, invoices, payment confirmations, tax records, or monthly statements. Once the account is closed, accessing these documents may become difficult. Now check your connected services. If you use Payoneer with freelance platforms, marketplaces, affiliate networks, TikTok, Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, or other payout sources, remove Payoneer as your payment method before closing the account. Add a different payout method where needed, so future payments are not sent to a closed account. If you have a Payoneer card, check whether there are any remaining card balances, authorizations, or subscriptions connected to it. Cancel any subscriptions or services using the card before closing your account. Once everything is ready, go to Payoneer's Help Center or Support section. Search for Close Account, Delete Account, or Terminate Account. Payoneer usually requires you to contact customer support to close an account permanently. Open a support request and explain that you want to permanently close your Payoneer account. Include the reason if asked. Payoneer may ask you to verify your identity before processing the request. This can include confirming account details, answering security questions, or completing a verification step. After submitting the request, check your email for messages from Payoneer. They may confirm the closure, ask for more information, or remind you to withdraw remaining funds. Do not uninstall the app or ignore the account before the closure is confirmed. Uninstalling Payoneer does not close your account. You need confirmation from Payoneer that the account has been closed. That's how to close your Payoneer account permanently. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.